On the latest version of ChromeOS, we get an option to integrate Microsoft OneDrive into the Files app, as you can see here. However, sometimes you might face some issue with it. Simply follow this troubleshooting method to fix it. So first of all, try to restart your Chromebook device. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, click on power button, then click on restart. After that, try to update your Chromebook to the latest version of ChromeOS. For that, click on launcher icon, open settings, click on about ChromeOS and check for ChromeOS update. Then open the Files app, click on the Microsoft OneDrive option and check whether it's working or not. If it's not working, then you can simply reconnect OneDrive. For that, click on three dot icon, then click on File Settings, scroll down and look for OneDrive option. Click on it. Simply click on Remove Access and it will remove OneDrive integration from your Files app. Now simply reconnect OneDrive. For that, click on three dot icon, then click on Services. Here you will find Connect OneDrive option. Simply click on it. Click on Connect to OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. And Microsoft OneDrive will get connected in the Files app. Now simply click on this option and you are ready to use it. However, if you're still facing the issue, then you can simply install Microsoft 365. To install it, simply open Apps and Games application. Here search for Microsoft 365. Select it from the search result. Click on Install from Web option and here click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply close the window. Click on App Launcher icon and here you will find Microsoft 365 application. Simply open it and sign in with your Microsoft account. After that, click on Apps option and from here you can simply open and use OneDrive. So that's it. This is how you can fix OneDrive issue on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.